Buttercup. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I don't have a lot in store for today's video. It's going to be kind of short and sweet. I just had sinus and nose reconstructive surgery about 2 weeks ago. So I'm actually still not cleared, believe it or not. I mean, 2 weeks. I know you would imagine that I'd be cleared by now. So I got to kind of take it easy. I still want to get a video up for you guys. We're on a roll. I mean, we're doing pretty well. The channel's growing a little better than I was actually expecting here towards the later half of the year. So again, we're almost to 300 subs, so if you guys hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it, because at the 300 mark, we're going to do a giveaway. I'm not quite sure what the giveaway is going to be, but you guys will be warned and you'll know. So it's going to be something pretty fun and exciting. I mean, it's going to be worth subscribing for, I think. Anyway, in today's video, we still have the three-wheeler. That frame needs sanded down still a lot of sanding to do. I ran out of battery last time, called it quits, and then I had my nose surgery, so we put it on the back burner again. We're gonna bring that back out. So I got my new Pew Pew. We might go and shoot that for a little bit. I'm not really sure the YouTube guidelines there. I'm pretty sure if you just shoot it, we're good. But again, I'm a small channel and I'm growing, so I don't really want to do anything that's going to affect that, which kind of stinks that I have to even worry about that. But you guys understand, I hope. So anyway, we're going to do that. And then I think I'm going to show you guys mom and dad's new house. I posted a video probably like 4 videos into my YouTube channel career, or on my channel, and they've made a lot of progress, and I haven't filmed any since. So honestly, it'll probably be like a year update, because I think I did a video on the construction of it, or just them. I basically titled it building a dream house or something. I don't remember, but that was a long while ago, and it's totally changed, and there's so much work done to it since then, and I think you guys will be kind of shocked and enjoy that. So I'm probably going to do that. I'm going to kind of match together quite a few different things for this video to kind of make it just a little more enjoyable. Again, I have to take it easy, so I'm trying my best to work with what I got. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Hit that sub button. I'm wishing you guys a Merry Christmas. I don't know if I'm going to post another video, like a whole new video. I think I'm going to do an end of the year recap video to show you guys kind of my year on YouTube, my first year on my own channel. With that being said, we're going to get into this video. Showed you guys the goats in a while. You guys saw these when they're just little babies. Look at these guys. They've grown so much. Hi, Buttercup. They got all their winter coat on, so prepare for the elements. Our plans are Bucko's a male, obviously. Buttercup is a female. Hopefully we have babies by spring.
Walking into the living room here, it's gonna be the living room side over here. To this side here is gonna be a kitchen with a 5 by 7 foot island here in the middle. I'm hoping to pour the concrete slab for the countertop on that for the first time. So I'm gonna have some doors that go into a large pantry here. I'm gonna have an extra refrigerator, all shelving in here. Go through a door over here into the laundry room. Hopefully have plenty of storage against that wall there for coats, covers, whatever we might need it for, laundry, soap. Then we move over to the bathroom. We're gonna have, of course, toilet, built-in shower. Not even sure exactly like what kind of heads or anything we're gonna have in the bathroom, but it'll be probably pretty simple. The doors are all gonna be sliders. On most of them, but this one's going to be the frosty glass, I guess, so that way people can't see, but it'll let all the light in. That's the whole goal of the whole house, is to let the nature come in. This will here be an extra room, bedroom, whatever we might deem it to be needed to do. So yeah, so this will be a nice big room for any visitors or if the boys come home. Come over here, but this will be my wife's office. and my office at times whenever I need a place to go to. So you definitely want to check this out. We got some insulation piled.
This is probably his favorite part of the whole
Yeah,
house.
so we're gonna have double toilets. We're gonna have a toilet here. We're gonna have a toilet. There's gonna be a toilet here. It's gonna be, of course, encased. It's gonna be like its own little getaway, and in between here is gonna be a built-in shower, which will be, I think, kind of cool. Then we go into the walk-in closet, which this will be just kind of an entryway coming through here. Closet on one side. Of course, you can see my side's a little bit smaller, but that's okay, I guess. And then into the master bedroom. Got a slider here. At some point, hopefully we'll build a deck out here. Down the road in a few years, we might get a enclosed hot tub. So that's on the very long list at this point. So, but then back into what will be the living room. But as you can see, we've got a lot of windows to let all the light in. We still got one more big window and a couple more small ones up above the French door. But hey, there you have it. Hopefully in 12, 14, 16 months, somewhere in that range, we'll hopefully be able to be moving in. So that's the goal at this point. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Well, I might have just broke my camera. Great, sweet. I knew that was a terrible idea, but I still did it. Don't you love that? All right, so I got that piece of wood in the back, so I'm gonna use it just to see if I'm hitting anything. So let's go over there and see what happens. All right, guys, I have this board set up behind me, and we're gonna load up the weapon and we're gonna fire it, see how it goes. I'm pretty excited about this. This is my first ever handgun and first ever gun that's been my own. It's not the first time I've shot anything, so that's at least good, but I'm still developing an understanding of how everything works. So bear with me. I'm a little nervous in a way, but I know that the only way that I'm gonna learn how to do any of this stuff is if I just do it. So, and I'm just safe about it and conscious of all the things that could go wrong. So I'm gonna load it up and we're gonna see how this goes. So let's do it. Okay, so safety's off and we're gonna go for it. Not too bad. Definitely hearing protection is a must-have. I kind of just, my ears are ringing a little bit. That was probably kind of a dumb idea on my part to not wear anything. I know better. So again, guys, be safe when you guys are doing this stuff. I am again learning, so some things I might, do that might not be the best idea, but so just be safe when you guys are doing this. And I'm gonna go get Dad because he's really eager to shoot it too. So let's do that. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed me firing the weapons a little bit. I haven't done that in a long time, and again, the 9mm is my first ever gun that I've ever owned in my whole entire life. And then the other one is actually a 380 Bodyguard, I believe. A Bodyguard 380 by Smith & Wesson, which is obviously a little bit of a smaller caliber. Not a huge fan of that one. My grandma actually has that one. Granny is locked and loaded, so I wouldn't even try coming up here because you're probably not going to get very far. So with that being said, she's probably going to get something a little bit bigger, and I might take that one. I don't know. We're trying to figure it out. I'm going to actually start sanding down on the three-wheeler a little bit more and try to get that to the point where I can maybe get it to powder coat here soon. I'm not really sure who's going to powder coat it. There's some local guys that I might try out because, again, it's kind of small, and I think that if anybody that has a powder coating oven big enough, I would imagine that they're probably going to know at least enough to know what they're doing to get it powder coated. I'm not going to probably do any crazy color. I'm not really sure on what color I'm going to do yet. I thought about black, but maybe I might go a little bit more wild. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to start sanding that down. We're going to do a little time lapse of me sanding that down, and hopefully I can get a little bit more of it done. Let's get into that little time lapse. Alright guys, so this process I told you guys was going to take a really long time. For some odd reason, none of my DeWalt batteries want to stay charged. I think it's the temperature, so I don't want to bore you guys so much because I don't want to sand this three-wheeler down frame in like 3 consecutive videos and just that's all it be. That being said, this next video that I come out with that has the three-wheeler in it, whole frame is going to be completely sanded down, so you guys won't have to watch that anymore. And then we're going to talk about powder coating. I'm going to start searching around, try to find somebody that can powder coat. Unfortunately, I wish I could. That's why I'm trying to get it as prepped as much as I possibly can. That way, when I take it to powder coat, the person doesn't have to sand it down. All the steps that it takes to do before you can actually powder coat. So hopefully that saves me a little money where I could literally take it there, they spray some powder on it, put it in the oven, and then it's good to go. That's kind of my goal here for that person. In the meantime, I am in the process of maybe getting an oven at some point that would be big enough for like a pit bike frame or a three-wheeler frame or something a little bit smaller, because I have a lot of odds and end jobs that I want to powder coat, and I don't want to keep paying somebody else and sending it to somebody else when I could just do it myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of a combination of everything. I'm pretty excited I got to shoot my gun for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. If you guys are still, it's crunch time, but if you guys still want to order from We The People Holsters, Bigs 15, I'll leave it in the description so you guys can go get 15% off any We The People Holsters item on their website. So hopefully you guys have an amazing Christmas, amazing New Year, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. See ya.